Hello again. In this video, we're going to show you how to record a video using the PowerPoint.
So once you confirm that all the apps and all the tools have been downloaded, let us see whether if you're ready to record videos on PowerPoint. So you just open your PowerPoint, and when we open the PowerPoint, we will see whether we've got, so you open PowerPoint, blank presentation, we'll see whether we've got what is known as the recording tab. You've got file, home, insert, draw, etc. But we don't have recording tab. No need to worry. Go on file, click on options, and then customize ribbon. When you go on customize ribbon, you're going to see the recording, which is unchecked. So you just check the recording, you click OK, you will find that you've got recording there. And when you click on recording, you will see you've got a lot of options that are available for you to create your videos. Now, how to proceed? Let us see. I'll just load one file which I've already prepared, which is ready for recording. So you start with your slides, you enter all the information one by one, you go on, you record all the information one by one, and once you finish recording the information, that is typing the text box, etc., animation and so on, then what you do is you go on recording. You click recording, you click on record slideshow from beginning. You're going to have this kind of interface in front of you. And when you've got this kind of interface in front of you, what you do is you click on the button record. So when you click on the record button, you will be prompted, and then you start recording sound on the slide. So once you finish recording on this slide, you just click next, and then you start talking. So what you do is you should not speak while the slides are transitioning. You should wait for the next slide to come, then you start your speech or your recording of your voice or your recording of the audio. And once you finish recording, you just click on stop. And then if you want to check whether you've said the correct words for the slide, you can still replay and listen to what you've said. Now, this will help you to correct the audio in each slide. For example, if on this slide I've wrongly recorded the audio, what I can do is I can go back to recording, record from the current slide, I record the audio again. So what I do is I just click on the cross here and I say clear recordings on the current slide, and then I press on record, and then I start recording the words that I have to replace or have to complete again for the slide once again. And once this is over, you do the same thing for each slide. Once again, please bear in mind, while transitioning the slide, do not speak between the transitions, otherwise automatically some of the words will not be recorded. So before I proceed, let me take you again to the process. So once you finish your animation on each slide and the text box, etc., pictures, etc., you click on recording, you go on record slideshow from beginning, and then you start recording your voice by clicking on record. When you finish the recording on this slide, and then you can click the triangle here, the arrow to move to the next slide. When the slides are transitioning, do not speak. Wait for the next slide to come, and then you start your speech or your wordings or whatever you have to say again. And once you finish, you click on stop, and then you just close it. And then what you can do is you can save it as PowerPoint itself, because you have not yet converted into video. Save it as PowerPoint, and then you can send the same PowerPoint to those persons who are actually vetting the lessons. So why this is one advantage? Suppose you had already converted the videos, all the videos that you've prepared, or let's say you converted one video, and then you send it for vetting, and they tell you there is a mistake on the 3rd minute. Then what you need to do is, when the video is sent back to you, you have to go and do the recording once again. But I'll show you a little trick. Because you've recorded your voice on each slide and you have not yet converted into a video, you send the PowerPoint to the vetter and you request the vetter to run the PowerPoint on slideshow. He will understand. Then, if ever there is any mistake, the vetter will tell you that there is a mistake in slide 2 or slide 3 or slide 4. Then you just do the changes. Now, if the changes are in the text, you just correct the text. No need to correct the audio. But if the mistake is in the audio, you go back. Let's say there is a mistake in slide 6. I go on slide 6. I go on recording, record slideshow. I just say record current slide. I just click on the cross here and I say clear recording on the current slide. Here it is not activated because there is no recording right now on this slide. So you just clear the recording and then you click on record for this slide only, and once you finish you click on stop. You can listen to it by clicking on replay. You click stop and then you close it and then you save the PowerPoint again. Once you are sure there is no mistake in any slide or in any audio, what you need to do is you click on export to video. When you click on export to video, be careful, you need to choose this option, Full HD 1080p pixel, large file size and full high quality 1920 by 1080. Click on this and use record timings, because it will use the audio on your slide and timing on your slide, and then you click on create video. When you click on create video, what will happen is you will see, you just give a name for it, for where it is to be saved. You just click on save and see what happens here. It's going to start the creation of video. That will take some time, some 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes or 30 minutes depending on the size of the video. And then if you see that after creating the video there is still a mistake, there is no need to restart the whole process. You just go back on your PowerPoint and then that you had saved earlier, and then you go on the slide where you feel there is a mistake. You just correct the mistake on the slide. You click save and then you stop the process once again. Export to video, Full HD, use recorded timing, create video, save again the same process. Now another trick. Let's say you want to change something in the video, or there is already you are adding a video on a slide. But the video is something that is going to, I'll show you how to add a video. That is, add a video in your video, which sometimes it is useful, sometimes it's not useful depending on the class that you're doing. So you just click on insert, look for media, look for video. On my PC, I just say, let's say that I want to add this video log in on to Office 365, which the video that you have seen earlier. And as soon as you insert the video, you see two new tabs that will appear, the video format and the playback format. Now the playback format, now be careful, these two tabs will only appear when you have inserted a new video. When you click on playback format, you're going to see all the different things that is there. That is, you need to trim the video. If you want to trim the video, that is, you don't want to the full video to be played, but only, let's say, this part here, only this part, automatically the time changes. I'll show you again. So you see, this is the full video from 0 minute to 5 minutes, but I need only the, let's say, the third minute, right? So I just correct it to the third minute. I bring it to the third minute, and then to something like 3 minutes 35 seconds. So I just click on OK. It will trim the video for me. So once the video is trimmed, then we can use it in our explanation. So we can use it in our explanation or in our video to be used in the video lesson. You can also see that you can use volume, you can choose the volume, high, medium, low. There is a lot of things you can do with the video that you've just inserted. And once you've finished all this, so you go on the process where I was telling you earlier, you save it and then you export to Full HD, you choose Full HD and then create video, save video, give the video a name, and then you can send it to be broadcasted. I hope that this video has helped you and you will understand of how to prepare or how to record your video lesson on PowerPoint. Thank you.